What's up, everyone? I just want to make a quick video on servicing your air filter on your 80 series Land Cruiser. This is a basic video for beginners or people who just bought their 80 series and want to baseline their vehicle. Now, this is a common service item on any vehicle, but let me share three tips in regards to the 80 series air filter that might save you some time and money. Keep in mind these vehicles are very old. A lot of the rubbers and plastics are no longer pliable and can break very easily. So, tip number one is not to break the air hose when you are replacing your air filter. Sounds pretty basic, but you will read that a lot of people do break their air hose while they are lifting the lid off the air filter canister. So you will see me remove the three latches from the canister cover and then unscrew the wing nut on top. Then I will unplug the mass air sensor and then unscrew the hose from the lid. I will draw the lid away from the air hose and make sure I don't bend the air hose in the process. So if by chance you discover your air hose is broken, you could pick one up from asrparts.com. That's asrparts.com. They have a section called 3 Lock 4x4. They have a number of Toyota genuine parts available on that page. I will leave a link in the description directly to the air cleaner hose if you need to pick one up. So here's my air filter. It looks pretty dirty. Not too dirty, but I think it's worth replacing now. It's kind of old. I've had it since I bought the vehicle a few years ago. So, tip number two, I am replacing this air filter with another Toyota genuine part, Air Element 17801 61030. This Toyota filter is reusable. You will see on top of the air filter, there are instructions on how to clean this air filter using compressed air, actually rinsing it with water, then again drying it off with compressed air, and then putting it back in your engine. The least expensive filters I found on Amazon for this vehicle is around like 17 bucks. This one is, I think, 36, $37. So you use this filter a few times and you will save money. It will pay for itself. You can get this air filter at asrparts.com. I will leave a link in the description below. So let's finish installing the reusable air filter. And then we put back the lid on the canister, securing it with the three latches. We'll maneuver the lid into the air hose and then plug back the wire and then tighten the clamp to the air hose. And let's not forget to put the wing nut back on top. Really easy to do. Anyone can do it. So, my third piece of advice for those new to the 80 Series Land Cruiser, the 80 Series Land Cruiser has a catch can underneath the air filter canister. This has a nickname called a tuna can. Not sure where that came from. I guess because it kind of looks like a tuna can. So basically, reach underneath and undo the two clamps securing the can underneath the main canister and lower it carefully. And here is my tuna can full of dust, bugs, and leaves. So I'm just going to quickly blast this with water and clean it out. So remember, clean out your tuna can every time you service your air filter. When reinstalling the tuna can, pay attention to this tab here and line it up with the notch that's underneath the canister. And put back the two latches, and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.